Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to know or how to see who viewed your Facebook profile. So to start, we'll have to go to my profile account. Let's click on the profile icon at the right side and then go to the profile homepage. And then here, let's click on the three bullet button at the right side of the edit profile option. Then scroll down and look for the Turn on Professional Mode. After that, just go ahead and proceed. And then after turning on the Professional Mode, just go back and click on the Go to Tools option. And then here, go to the Professional Mode Guide. And then click on the Insights option. Then click on the View Insights option. Then here, click on the See Details options. And then here on the Profile Overview, you will see the Discovery option. Under that, you will see the option to Profile Visits. So that's how you will know who visits your profile. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you all on our next video.